We're basically taking a raw polymer feedstock that's considered a waste product and upcycling it into something that we can use on our production lines for 3D printing, which can then be turned into high-value products such as boats, pontoons, housing infrastructure, and more. The key problem in Australia right now, and even in other countries that have offshored a lot of manufacturing and are dependent on importations, is that construction materials such as timber and steel are heavily imported. So the value of using this material is that it's already here in abundance. It reduces reliance on importations, and it's a full circular closed loop economy. So this is some of the subsea umbilical HDPE waste that we are getting from up north. Essentially, we take it in this raw form, we shred it down into flakes, we add some of our additives and fillers, feeds into this machine here, which is a compounder. The compounder mixes the materials together. Out comes a pellet that we can use in 3D printing operations. So we've already proven this material can work with a variety of different maritime applications. So we're using it already to 3D print boats and pontoons. Phase 2, we hope, will focus on expanding the range of plastics that we can work with coming off the umbilical flow lines. This will include plastics outside of PE and PP, and as well as that, expand the use cases that we can service using this upcycled stream of waste.